Guys, as you see, it did a deeper retracement back into this area down here. This would have been like where my entry possibly would have been, but I would have to wait for confirmation for sure because markets is moving a little. It's just doing a lot of consolidating today. Uh, it is moving a little crazy. It's clear sell side, but I know the distribution will be on the buy side, obviously targeting this high, either somewhere else, and it's 1036 currently. So I would have just, okay, my entry was right here. I just moved that bitch down a little bit to right here and wait on another, like, when I seen this shit breaking through, no trade, no confirmation. But when I see this, with nothing else left on the other side, then we may be good here. We may be good, and it's 1030. So all I'm expecting, it made the W kind of in a way, a sideways W. All I'm expecting is a slight pullback into this direction, and then you enter the trade all the way up and ride that bitch out. That's literally all I'm looking for. I could trade with the manipulation, or I could catch the counter trend as well. Well, the counter trade as well, as people would say, but I feel like this isn't counter trading. This is just distribution. You're trading. You're waiting through all of the manipulation. You see so many people got manipulated right there. That's why I put this projector right here to think it was a buy position, but it wasn't until we got the fair value gap. Oh, and then look what happened. Wick apart, break down, pull back, break all the way down, break down more. You know what I'm saying? And now we're pulling back into this area, into this entry area right here. And this will be the final entry, making a W. It sounds confusing, but like, just run my shit back as much time as you need to, just to really understand. It sound like, you know, I'm all over the place with it, but I'm just going straight off the dome, like what I can teach and what I'm just seeing, so you can see it in real time. Just replay this bitch back. I didn't take no positions. This was just me simply doing long and short projections and just my bias and seeing the market follow this bias that I have. That's why patience is key. That's why you have to wait. I would have got in too early right here. I would have got in too early right here on this break. I would have faced hella drawdown just to get right here. Just to get right here. Of course it would pull back, but who wants to face drawdown when you can time your entry and have your edge and sharpen your entries? Watch. It's wicking from there. So what we're gonna do, boom, 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 all the way up. So let's go ahead and draw this. Got that, boom. Hold on, hold on. Back, okay. So boom, we got the brush. Okay, so that's all we're gonna be looking for. Okay, we got that leg over there. Oh shit, I'm drawing on top of another drawing. Hold on, watch out, watch out, watch out. I'm gonna keep this up to show y'all the M and all of that form. Okay, so we got this right here, this structure. So it went down, pull back, didn't break above. As long as it don't break above here, the trend is still in play. The regular trend that you started or wherever it's going. As long as it don't break above, you're good. If it breaks above, you're switching the trend. So boom, we had that leg down, that pullback. We had another leg down, lower, then a small pullback back to this area, you see? So all it's doing is this breakdown, pullback, back to this area, a little bit, but not passing it. And then it's gonna break down again, but meet this area. What you think gonna happen next? Break down, pull back up into this area. Then we drop that lower. Then this is where the trend starts changing. Then when you get something like this, it don't break above yet. It don't fully break above yet, but it's damn near there. And when you get that with this, not breaking below this, it's not breaking below this point. When you get that plus this, you're green. You literally green. And then we take that bitch to the moon. You know what I'm saying? You're green. That's all you waited on. When it start breaking down, it start slowing down the momentum. It start breaking them lower lows right here. When you start breaking them lower lows and transferring to the high point, lower highs, I mean higher lows now. Higher lows, higher lows. You know what I'm saying? When it start doing that, you green. You green as hell. So look what we doing. Respected that. We would have faced minimum drawdown a little bit. It respected that area. It's making a W now, as you see. Like, I'm gonna keep putting this shit in y'all head, bro. It's W's and M's, bro. Fucking W. Know you see this fucking W. What you think gonna happen next? Boom. It's gonna bounce off this key level. Then it's gonna bounce off this key level. Then we gone. It's that simple. Watch. Fucking watch. 10:41 currently, Eastern Standard Time. Let's erase all this. Let's erase all this. And I'm not a financial advisor now. I'm just showing y'all the game, man. Like, some shit y'all missing out on. To help you with your strategy, to tighten up some shit. You know what I'm saying? We'll face a little drawdown. That's okay. Cause look. It's at mid-level. Now we should take a turn here. I'm expecting it. Now if it breaks lower, we're just done. Right? We would just be done for the day. But I don't see nowhere lower it could go. And they haven't even retraced nothing on the 15 minutes. Or it's only red candles, literally. You feel me? Your trader got stopped out right there. And watch. 1 minute. So he was trying to stop me out. It would have possibly stopped me out, but I probably would have went no stop on this trade because I know it's gonna go up. Let's see. Boom. Candle. That would have been an inch from taking me out. Fucking inch from taking me out. Now we back here. This is where when I know that blue price line, asking price and shit going up, that's where we're gonna reject off. It hit this level, filled this. Look, this what it did. You can see it real time. It's just filling those areas, those mid levels. Fill. Another fill. Another fill. Oh, what's this over here? Another fill. Oh, what's this down here? Another fill. You know what I'm saying? It's that fucking simple, bro. It's just filling the gaps, bro. It's just filling the next gap, bro. And meeting the next wick. You see? This wick met this wick. This wick met this wick. It's saying this wick met this wick. And now we're getting a turnaround, possibly. It's important to have patience, man. That's why patience is important. You would have been better off taking the sale earlier and probably being one and done for the day, possibly, because yeah, you could possibly be one and done for the day off the sale side because it's selling hard today. The buys may not come into play until later today, but I'm I know it's gonna come in play. I already know how the market moves, man. Them buyers gonna come. Just wait. All you doing is waiting. You know what I'm saying? You're seeing the buy pressure go back up slightly. See? Just the 1 minute, by the way. See how the 5 minute look? 5 minute respecting long wick from that area. So it's only right we're gonna turn around, pull back, and do all that. You know what I'm saying? Your job is, as a trader, is just to figure out the turning point in the market. That's all. Just figure out the turning point. When is shit gonna turn around? And you can do this, like, test shit. Like, this is what I always do. This test out a move, see what happens, see if it hits these stop losses, projectors. It's like, oh, okay, I would have lost that trade. Maybe I should wait a little longer then. You know? But it would have tapped that stop possibly and went right on up. Like, I know it's gonna go in the buys. Like, look at the momentum coming in. It's currently 10:47. Been at laptop since, been at PC since 9 after my workout. So let me see. There we go. As you see, clean. It just did a liquidity grab. That's all that was, a liquidity grab. Went to grab all this liquidity. You know what I'm saying? Made the W. We went to grab all that with this. Then with this, it went to go grab it all with that. You know what I'm saying? Then with this, it grabbed it all with this. Vice versa. And it just did the same shit. That's why I say the market is a mirror. So you see the turning point starting, possibly turning point. An inch from the stop. I moved it a couple times though, but an inch from the stop, and you're in. See, small pullback, then it drop down, small pullback, drop down. This will be the W forming possibly. You should see a green candle pop up after this. Let's see. How many more seconds we got? Can't even see the damn time. Okay, currently 15 seconds left till we see a green candle possibly pop up. Let's see, 5 seconds. Boom, there it is. Green candle pops up. Then we take it to the moon. It's currently 10:49. There we go, getting some momentum. That's all you wait on, man. W, a W finally formed. A clean W on the same level. It has to be, as you see now, it has to be a clean W on the same level for it to form. So it's under this level right here. It's under this blue line. It has to make a W under the blue line for it to be validated. If it's making a sideways W, you're still going down. That's just a lower high, as you've seen back there. As you've seen right here. If it's making sideways, it's still going down. Lower lows, lower highs. But if we're on the same level, boom, broke through. We broke through clean, pull back, broke through, broke back down to cover all this. Now we're pulling back up. to pull back down just for a slight second, and then we flip candlestick and go all the way up now. Then the trend has officially started. So this will be this move. Let me show you. Okay. So this would be